Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Content Manager to your Wix. Let's get started. So in here, I'm on the Wix website editor of my Wix site. Then from it here, I can see some specific things. On this left sidebar, I can click on this Add Elements. Then when I do that, I can see in here the CMS. So this is actually the Content Manager. So as you can see, it has been added. This is because Content Manager has been added automatically on your website once you created it. In the past, it is actually not added, but as of 2024, it is actually added automatically on your website, so you don't need to click anymore. So from in there, you can actually create collection, create some dataset, form dataset, and some rich content right here. So you can actually access it also on this thing right here, which is this icon. Now, once you click on it, you should be able to see your main option wherein you can add the preset for your collection or you can create a collection right here. You can also see in here the learn more option wherein you can watch some video courses for your content manager. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.